There's the mouse. Ursula is freaking out. Oh, he got him. Good job, Salazar. You're so good. Yeah. I know, you want that mouse. But Salazar got him. What a good snaky. Good snaky. That didn't take long at all. Look at that little mouse. Yes. I know, I'm sorry, sweetie. What a good snaky.